Yo, what up? It's Nick from Man Custom Print. I'm kind of whispering because everybody's still asleep. It's 7:35 in the morning. Everybody's sleeping. Today we're gonna work on some multicolor print on some shirts for one of the homies for his car wash business. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna be cutting and pressing today. So 3-color print. This is gonna be the left chest in the front, and this is gonna go all in the back. It's 2 gray shirts and 2 black shirts. A quick trick real quick. For the black shirt, instead of using white and then black in the front, what you could do is let's ungroup that. You duplicate this, you take this, right, and you ungroup it, and then select both of them, and then you can slice them and delete the slice, and it's gonna leave you that. Now, if this were on a black shirt, it looks exactly the same. So you can use the shirt color as another color instead of wasting vinyl. And do the same thing with this one. Duplicate it. And let's click on that. Detach. Click on that. Detach. And then send to back. Send to back. And just select that. Slice. Delete. Slice. Delete. And there you go. Duplicate. Ungroup. Select the black. Select the white. Slice. Select that one. Delete. And there you go. I know it's hard to see, but see? Now, zoom back out. Of all of this, we're gonna go over to make it and click OK. And we're gonna need 2 copies of everything. So just right here, you change the copies, click apply, it'll make it for you. This one, you could do 12 by 24 also. Let's do all 12 by 24. Move this one. That's too tight of a fit, so we can move over here. Switch here. Switch here. This one here. This one here. Okay, that's one. You make sure when you're using HTV, you mirror everything. So this one. Go up here, put this one there, rotate this one, and there you go. And these, I don't know why they came out gray, but these are also white, so you can just grab them, move them to the white mat, and then place them somewhere they fit. Take up this empty space, and I'm gonna cut right there. This one, let's move it to this one. Take this and place it there and take up that empty space. When you do that, I like to just mirror it again because sometimes Cricut glitches and it'll come out messed up. Trust me, it's happened. And okay, so the white is ready. Now black. Okay. is here. Fit. So, what I'm trying to do is to save the most vinyl, to use the least amount of vinyl. Or flip this one. And you see how that fit there? And I'm just taking up the blank spaces. This fits there. Damn, that messed up that one. Or just move it there. There we go. And just move these back up. And that's it. And now for these, with this, you can either use scraps wherever these bubbles are. Like I can use a scrap right here that's like 2.5 by 11.5. You cut these top bubbles out, and then use another one down here to cut these. And use another one for these, because if you cut this whole square out, you're gonna have all this blank space of unused vinyl, and you don't want to waste that. So honestly, I don't want to click 12 by 24 anymore because it's gonna mess up everything I just did. I don't know why Cricut does that. Cricut's hella annoying, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna just leave it like this. So mirror, see what happens. Move this over here. Move this down. Move this up. And then here, same thing probably. Mirror. Yep. So move this one here. This one right here. This one right here. Okay, these are fine. Mirror. And mirror. Alright, let's go cut. Okay, so now that we have everything cut out, let's go ahead and press these shirts. Alright, so that's it. These are the finished products. That's the front piece. I don't know if you can see that. Front piece. And this is the back piece. 3-color press. And for the black ones, I'm going to use 2 colors. The white. And I'm using the black of the shirt as a black. And then the back piece, same thing. And that's it. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow us on Instagram at A&N Custom Prints.